Okay, so I'm right next door, and videotape these two air conditioners. Oh my, I don't even know what these are. What are these? Ultra high efficiency heat pump. It's got a scroll compressor. Oh, this is an old Schneider General unit. The model numbers wore off. I can't tell, but this one might have the sticker. I think these two are the same. Yeah, these things here are rusty old suckers. You can barely model. Oh, this thing's from 1991. Model number YF018G. So this is a 1.5 ton. So this one here is a 1.5 ton, probably for the second story. Yeah, this one's for the second story. And this one was running earlier. It has a new fan motor. Down as the original. What is this? Oh, I can read this one too. YF024. This is from 91 also, model number YF024G, serial R9120008. No, 9. So that one there, I'm not even bother going to read the serial number on it because it's hot out here. This is a 1.5 ton, and this one here is a 2 ton for this first story, and I think that's a scroll compressor. But these things here are rusty, and I don't see no brand decal or anything on it. There's the condensate pouring out. But I'd say these here are just temp star units. Anyways, over now. So one of the old Heils over here kicked on, and it's the 2 ton that's on. And this thing just sounds awful. That's the one with the new fan motor. It's not the case, it's the compressor. You can sort of see it through there. Going cold out the top. This is a super high efficiency, probably an 8 or 9 seer. Probably, I don't know. This one here is, no, this is a 1.5. That's the 2. Now, what tonnage is this? Yeah, this is the 1.5 ton. This one here is fixing to go. This is a Heil because that's all that's around here, and the Heil deal is right down the street, so I'd say these are Heils. Ancient Heils. Anyways, over and out. And surprisingly enough, the house has gas, but it has heat pumps. That's weird. There's the 3 condensate drains. Anyways, over and out.